Prosper Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if the credit card you open this year quietly decides how fast your credit score rises, how easy it becomes to rent a better apartment, and whether future loans cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars more in interest? Most people get this wrong, but here's why the Prosper Credit Card in 2025 deserves a much closer look before you click apply. The Prosper Credit Card is often seen when people search for second chance credit cards. It shows up after denials, after late payments, after collections, and after the moments in life that knock your credit down. It promises access. It promises rebuilding. It promises a fresh start. But the surprising truth about Prosper is that it can either be a useful stepping stone or an expensive trap depending entirely on how you use it and how long you keep it. So let's walk slowly, clearly, and honestly through what the Prosper Credit Card really is, how it works, what it costs, who it is actually for, and how to decide if it is worth it in 2025. Prosper is an unsecured credit card. That means you do not have to put down a security deposit. This alone makes it attractive to people who do not have spare cash sitting in savings. Approval odds are relatively high compared to mainstream bank cards. Prosper is designed for people with poor or limited credit histories. Typical starting credit limits are modest. Many cardholders report starting limits between $300 and $1,000. This is normal for rebuilding cards. Prosper may also advertise potential credit limit increases after consistent on-time payments, although increases are never guaranteed. Now let's move into the part that really matters: the fees. Prosper charges an annual fee. In 2025, this fee is commonly around $100 to $150 depending on your specific offer. This fee is charged simply for owning the card. In addition to the annual fee, Prosper also charges a monthly maintenance fee. This is often around $10 to $12 per month. Over a full year, this adds another $120 to $140. When you combine the annual fee and the monthly fees, many cardholders are paying well over $250 per year just to keep this account open. Interest rates are also high. It is common to see a APR in the low to mid-30s. Carrying a balance can become expensive very quickly. Late payment fees, cash advance fees, and other penalty charges can add more cost on top of this. This is where many people begin to feel uneasy. So why would anyone still choose Prosper? The answer is credit reporting and access. Prosper reports to all three major credit bureaus. That means every on-time payment helps rebuild your credit history. For someone who has been denied by major banks, this access can feel like hope. You won't believe what happens next for people who use Prosper the right way. Many cardholders see their credit scores rise noticeably within 6 to 12 months, when they pay on time and keep balances low. Let's look at a real lifestyle example. Imagine a woman named Sarah. Sarah went through a difficult divorce and missed several payments on old accounts. Her credit score fell into the low 500s. She could not qualify for most secured cards because she did not have extra cash. She applied for Prosper and was approved with a $400 limit. She used the card only for gas and paid it in full every month. After 1 year, her credit score rose by over 80 points. She then qualified for a no-fee starter card and closed Prosper. For Sarah, Prosper worked as a temporary bridge. Now imagine another person named Kevin. Kevin also got Prosper. He used most of his credit limit every month. He carried balances. He paid late once or twice. Interest and fees piled up. His balance grew. His score barely moved. He felt frustrated and stuck. This shows the surprising truth. Prosper magnifies your habits. Good habits build progress. Bad habits drain your money and slow your recovery. Prosper does not offer meaningful rewards. There is no cashback that offsets the high fees. This is not a card designed for long-term everyday spending. It is designed strictly as a rebuilding tool. Customer service reviews are mixed. Some people have smooth experiences. Others report slow responses. The online account system is functional but basic. Now let's compare Prosper to safer alternatives. Many secured cards charge no annual fee or very low fees, and allow you to use your own deposit as your credit limit. Credit union builder cards also often offer lower fees and lower interest rates. These options usually cost far less per year than Prosper. So when does Prosper make sense? Prosper can make sense if you truly have no other options and you cannot afford a security deposit. It can serve as a temporary tool to establish payment history, but it should never be viewed as a permanent card. Here is a smart strategy if you choose Prosper. Use the card for one small monthly expense such as your phone bill or a streaming subscription. Pay it in full every month. Never carry a balance. Set up automatic payments. Watch your credit score. After 9 to 12 months, apply for a lower fee card. As soon as you are approved for a better card, close Prosper. Most people get this wrong by keeping high-fee cards like Prosper for years. That is how rebuilding turns into stagnation. Now let's answer the main question. Is the Prosper credit card worth it in 2025? For most people, the answer is no. The fees are simply too high compared to better rebuilding options. Prosper should be considered only as a last resort and only as a short-term bridge. If you can qualify for a secured card, a credit union card, or a no-fee starter card, those are almost always better choices. So should you choose Prosper or leave it? If you have no other options and you commit to disciplined use, Prosper can help you rebuild temporarily. But if you have even one safer alternative, leaving Prosper is usually the smarter financial move. Your credit recovery is a journey, not a single decision. Choose tools that support your progress rather than quietly drain it. If this review helped you understand Prosper more clearly, stay connected for more honest and simple financial guidance. Your future credit opportunities start with the choices you make today. Choose wisely and build forward.